Yes, so welcome back to Bumper 200. World's fastest bumper car update. Where nothing is making sense. The ludicrous amount of sensors. Yes, that's the upside down sensor. Don't worry, Mr. Sansom, do not adjust your set, do not change the channels. This whole episode is not going to be about electrics, I promise you. But I will be trying to find locations for various bits of electrical BS that is on a modern bike. Way too complicated. There's our regulator rectifier in a completely different location from what we suggested we might do with it. We basically extended the red wire, which comes back into the kind of ECU area. We may have to shift it again because of the wheels, I'm not sure, but I like it up the front here actually, so we might move it forward. We shall see. No sooner said than done. Yeah, the more I looked at it, the more I thought that was bound to interfere with the wheels and the steering and stuff, so yeah, moved that. As I think I said before, we're well used to relocating rectifier regulators. Yes folks, the body is back on and everything fits, that's the good news. The radiator and the engine are all clear up front. I've got a couple of inches there, so that's geared. Our new exhaust cutouts work perfectly, so everything fits like a glove still. Kind of happy with the seat position. So that's that fitted. And I think we've got the seat all sorted out. Yes, we're using engine mounts at the front that we are now not using on the engine, obviously. We're following the line of the chain guard, which gives us a nice kind of tilt, which will be quite good actually. And it's resting on the wood at the back. Yeah, so that kind of works. We've got our speedometer, which we'll latch onto there with something a little nicer than that, but I just happen to have it lying around. So yeah, our dashboard's all there. It's starting to look very real. Just got to work out how to steer the damn thing. Yes, we have plenty of room in the back here for a set of golf clubs, even if they are children's worth. But seriously, we have plenty of room in the back here for fuel tanks, batteries, etc. Anyway, back onto the steering. Yes, and I can't quite get my head around this, but I'm a little bit more confident having found this wonderful little video showing it working. I'm not convinced about this particular one though, so I've ordered a different one which looks less complicated. Yes, Mr. Schnellwelder and I had a somewhat of a conflab, a planning meeting. The long and short of which is that we're kind of waiting on other people to do things before we can really get on with anything else. Apart from the electrics, which I'm not going to bore you with. And for that, I needed a tray, which I was going to fabricate. And then I had a better idea. Because other people make trays for cooking. This way, I get one that fits perfectly. And I keep the missus happy at the same time. How clever is that? Better still, she gets 3 new ones. I get the crappy old one that gave me the idea in the first place, because that fits even better. 1 ECU. Room for other stuff. Thought I'd clean it up a bit. 1 baking tray, suitably decorated and ready for electricals. Gonna need a bigger tray. Right, everything's plugged in that I think needs to be plugged in, apart from any of that. So this is totally irrelevant at this point. Oh yeah, apart from that, that's not plugged in yet. We have temporary ignition, Houston. So we should probably try and fire it up, right? Well, at least turn it over, because obviously there's no fuel involved at this point. But I think we should leave that until next time, along with other exciting developments. So, if you haven't subscribed already, you better do that down here somewhere. Otherwise you miss out on all the excitement. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. If you thought it was crap, give it a thumbs down. I don't care. I do, really. And, yeah, encourage others to watch my lunacy.